Okay, so one thing that we get a lot of questions about, and I think it's a good time of year to talk about it. So it's getting cold now. How do we keep our hives warm? Because what happens is there's a number of things that happen when the hive is cold. Number one, we get quite a lot of rats and mice going into the hive because it's nice and warm inside there in comparison to outside. And there's food. They eat the brood, they eat the honey, and obviously that puts a lot of strain on our bees. So the first thing is to make sure that your entrances you can put a rat guard on there, or else just simply reducing that entrance also will help with the amount of cold air coming into the hives. So reducing that entrance right down so that
a smaller
hole and the bees don't have issues. Another thing that some people do, you can buy what's called a hive blanket. Yeah, it's almost like those emergency blankets you get in your first aid kit, especially in your car if you've been in the shock blanket. So it's got that that silver on the inside, and then on the outside is basically padded, and you just strap that around your hive to keep it warm. What can also be quite useful is stacking hay bales around your hive so that it shields them from cold air and cold winds. And then another, probably the most vital one that works the best is if you can get hold of some big sheets of polystyrene and you actually almost wrap that around your whole hive. It just insulates the hive that the bees are able to keep that temperature warm throughout. So,
Awesome.
Cool. If you've got some interesting ways that you wrap your hive up for winter, why don't you post us a photo or video and share with us your ideas? We'd love to see them. See you soon.